Yeah, you know. Dreaming. As I
My
used for
guest
you.
is a radiant, pretty, attractive, warm, friendly, elegant, distinguished young Jamaican, Sandra Foster, Miss Jamaica World 1991. You had the opportunity of wearing a new crown. Did that hold any particular significance for you?
Well, at first I was a bit apprehensive about going into another competition because it means exposure again, it means being in the limelight, and you know, when you kind of get used to having your private life again, it's hard to do that.
Yeah. So you wanna spend the night with me? She reminded me of Lisa Hanna 93. Better yet, Sandra Foster 92. You're still my favorite even though you never win it, boo. True, and this proves I'm not a wagonese. Come on, step through and take two off of this cannabis. Make we make moves, I give you one of these. In a dart from 11 go to 1 o'clock. One away, no crew, me say none of that. Drive straight through to a front, can't put none of back. Tune drop, ting shots, see the gonna clap. That's how them show them approval in a jam rock. Chatter rocks gone, me I see so clear. Man did a rip from a bond, me did a prepare. Then hop out a tin ear and appear. Man take gold, silver, bronze, bold, Blake, Warren, Weir. Clear.
What happens to the personal life when you're all over the globe?
Well, it's not exactly put on hold, but it slows down a little bit, and obviously this is the priority right now, and my time is not always my own, but it's for a good reason.
What reduces you to tears? Does anything make you cry?
Yes, definitely. I'm a very emotional person.
Oh, you wanna spend your life with I? She remind me of Imani Duncan 95. Actually, Sandra was in 91. Thank you for not going into politics, my hon. I was young, just dreaming, you know, see it. We pull up in a beam, a sweeper off her feet. Believe me when I speak, it's real how I explain. When I met your girl, this feeling was the same. Couldn't get you off my brain, can't get you out my heart. So come and be my partner, my Erica Aquat, my Desiree the past. My mind it does a race, but them couldn't take your place. See that look up on your face, tell whoever on your case. Too late, cause they been a cool. Take the lunch from them plate and the dinner too. New dawn, new day, looking to see the view. Feel like bling dog if I'm me a ooh.
Because I've done well once, that I should stop there. If I have a chance to do well again, why not?
I can imagine what it is going to be like on December 28th as persons tune in to their television sets and see you there.